Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. You're watching something about Alicia, and I'm Alicia. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to boost the lasting power of your favorite fragrances. But before we begin, I want to tell you about a company called Dossier. Dossier reproduces classic high-end luxury scents at a fraction of the price, keeping the exact same high quality by cutting all the expenses and the infamous brand tax. I love that my fragrance comes in a minimal and beautiful box. Also, understanding what makes up my perfume is easy because every order contains an information card that consists of the name of my scent, the notes, what the scent is inspired by, and the concentration. I also love that my Dossier fragrance comes in a sheet glass bottle and with a luxurious magnetic cap. It looks so pretty on my vanity. Now, for my tips on how to make your fragrance last longer. My first tip is to apply your fragrance on moist skin. This works best right out of the shower when your skin and pores are open and your body is ready to absorb. In addition to applying on moist skin, you want to also apply a fragrance-free lotion. This gives the fragrance something to stick to and gives it more lasting power. My next tip will be to apply your fragrances to your pulse points. Your pulse points are located on your wrist, your inner elbows, behind your knees, behind your ear, and on your neck. You want to apply your fragrances in these areas because your skin is thinner and warmer there. This allows for your fragrance to diffuse. My next tip will be to spray, not rub. When you rub your fragrance around your body, you're actually breaking down the formula of the fragrance. This tends to ruin the top, middle, and base notes. Instead, you want to spray your perfume around your pulse points. That also brings me to my next tip, is to spray your clothes. I like to hold my fragrances about a foot away from my body and mist it on my clothes. Fragrances tend to last a lot longer when sprayed on a fabric. This will also help boost the lasting power of your fragrance and allow you to smell good all day. Dossier is so affordable. You can get anything from $29, while designer scents range from $50 up to $280 in retail. They also have great bulk deals on the website where you can get up to 25% off and free shipping on 3+ bottles. Not sure if they have something for you? No worries. Dossier scent category is insane. They have ambery, aquatics, aromatic, citrus, floral, fruity, and many more. Plus, they're always adding more scents to their collection. Dossier's newest scent is Armani Sea, and I personally have this one. I love this woody, fruity, and floral combination. And in the event you don't love it, Dossier has free returns and exchanges always, so every purchase is risk-free. And you don't hear that too often when it comes to fragrances. So if you're interested in shopping with Dossier, use my discount code Alicia10 at checkout and save some coin. I hope you found these tips helpful and you give them a try. Please let me know what you think down below. And don't forget to like, comment, and share. And also subscribe.